I think it's a June bug or a huge ass bee. I'm guessing a bee. Oh, whoa, look at that! Look at that! Oh, that is an old light bulb. Oh, I thought I'd never get to see the day. Yeah, this is April 14th, 2010. I'm actually in the garage for once. I've never been in the upstairs part of the garage as long as I've been here. And the only reason why I wasn't ever in here is because everyone was all like, oh my god, don't go up there, whenever I was a little kid. So, I'm not a little kid anymore. They can't tell me not to come up here anymore. Oh, another old light bulb. Look at that. Oh my god, that's so cool. Of course, I would be the dork to go about and get excited over a light bulb. Back in the day when my great uncle Luke was alive, he had this strange thing of taking tires off of our lawnmower, and it looks like that I found it, since apparently my dad is too lazy to look up. So I think I had enough excitement today. Now I gotta find out how I got in here with spiderweb maze everywhere. It's actually a real beautiful morning, and normally it smells like, you know, what spring would normally smell like, but for some reason it actually smells like black licorice out here. So, I don't know what nature ate this morning, but I don't like it. The baby, she stars. The baby stars. Hello. Good morning, Anna. Yeah. Good morning. Oh. You turn the light off.
When she breaks the switch and Grandpa gets mad at everybody.
I know, look what you did. Wow! Look at what you did! Look at that! You turned the light on! Oh, you turned it off again! Oh, you're so smart.
Is that what you was doing the last time?
No.
Come on, you gotta break the switch. There you go.
Oh, you're so smart.
She's doing good. How old is she now?
7 months.
And yours is what, a year and a half?
Yep. She looks like you. Looks like her mom. Got your eyes for sure.
Yum, 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 yum. Ain't that the best little girl you've ever seen? There you go. She's very good at restaurants.
Everybody says those things are good.
Hey James, what all did you do today?
I took a test.
Uh-huh.
That's about it so far.
Okay.
I was telling Nellie yesterday a tractor trailer ran that light.
Ha. Chicken wings with ranch. And Ghost Hunter bloopers.
That was you? Can you knock twice in a row? A lot of times when
Pretty
we
cool,
investigate,
huh?
we like to be specific when we ask.
The TV scared her.
Give you crap.
Oh, horrible ass headache. About as much as I can take is just James's game, and that's it. I hope.
Hello.
8 hours later.
Sorry, since I finally got the damn thing to work. You quit.
God! Yeah. I don't mind. I just need to get the